Welcome back to the Paul Miller Minute. While my business focuses on wealth preservation and future planning for financial independence, I thought it was important to bring a local expert in that concentrates on helping business people grow their businesses so that they generate wealth opportunities. So I'm pleased to introduce you to George Williams, the founder of Boca Bookkeeping. George, it is nice to have you as part of our podcast.
Thank you, Paul. It's great to be a part of it.
George, we got to spend some time learning about the things you do to help businesses get on and stay on the right track. And I found it interesting to learn about some of the strategies you bring to the table. Specifically, I would like you to talk a little about the importance of systems and procedures, because I believe you have said having that in place makes your business much more attractive for a number of very important reasons.
I did say that, and here is what I mean by that. Process, people, passion, and performance drive profits. Systems and procedures are very important aspects of a business, and sometimes they're not thought about by business owners. Too often, business owners may find themselves needing to reinvent a process or a team to improve results or due to business changes. A new business must adapt to rapid growth. A mature business must take a new look at how to improve their results. Sometimes, new financing for growth is needed, or developing improved planning and reporting to measure results.
Interesting. Financing. I didn't think about that.
Well, that's important because as businesses grow, they often look for ways of financing that expansion. Sometimes this is simply a line of credit to manage seasonal dynamics or inventory growth. Sometimes it's capital for expansion through acquisition.
So how do you help make that work?
We create value for the business owner by providing the back office systems and support, clarifying results, and keeping them focused on the customer. This includes inventory management, sales tracking, accounting, and reporting. We also provide business planning assistance to develop a roadmap of where a customer wants to be, how to get there, and how to track against key goals. For many, this involves planning for business transition to new owners.
That is very important and great advice, George. When would a company know they need your help?
Well, ask yourself, do you know what your goals are next month, 12 months, or long term? Are your results accurate, complete, timely, and understandable? Are you on track to meet your goals? If you have inventory, are you tracking properly? Do you understand your results?
And once they are on that track and generating revenues, I can help.
That would be part of the plan.
Well, thank you, George, for taking the time. And that's it for this podcast. Thank you for watching.
If you'd like to be considered as a guest on the Paul Miller Minute, please let us know.